So, it's now 11 o'clock exact. It's perfectly 11 o'clock right now. And when you turn on your ignition, all these cars think they're more important than me. Drivers always act like they think they're more important than a pedestrian, and then this car just come out of nowhere. And look, that's one light brighter than the other. See, they won't even let me pass. I freaking dare you. I'm in a crosswalk. Y'all should slow down. But I can't go to the library, the dirty downtown library. I don't want to go there anyway. But I can't go there because the married person is there. You know, she goes to that library. So that's why I can't go there. So I gotta try to go to this other, hopefully, this quiet place for the job interview, over the phone interview. See, look, these cars better. I'm in a crosswalk and they won't slow down. 1, 2, 3. So, how is it y'all are allowed to perp me? And y'all get to be paid to perp people, but then when I try to speak out against my targeting, y'all want to falsely accuse me of selling pity for money. Y'all get out my way.
You ain't got to get off the sidewalk.
Oh, thanks. I'm fine.
You all right?
Yeah, all right. Thanks. I was just playing, but now I was saying, when I was joking and saying, y'all get out of my way, but it's not fair. I have to be forced to fight to stay awake and survive off of 2 hours of sleep, and y'all condemn me for being quote unquote incoherent or nonsensical and stuff like that. If I have to be days of sleep deprived, and y'all not going through this torture. So only the fake TI perp cult community members, they're the only ones who is allowed to be fake outspoken about this program and pretending like they care. They pretend like they care about targets, and then real targets are burned and exploited by them all the time. So I was saying that fake TI perps pretend to be targeted and sympathize with targets, but then they're exploited. They exploit and burn the real targets all the time. You know. So I had such a huge breakfast today that I won't eat lunch, and I'll just wait till dinner to eat. And you know, I've been trying to. It's very difficult to try to force myself to stay awake with this, in order to avoid getting wrongfully banned from more places, you know. So I wish that people understood my struggles and what I'm going through instead of mocking me and kicking me down even harder, you know. It's unbelievable. You know, some people say that perps are microchipped themselves and that they're mind controlled into acting the way that they act. But I think they do it because on their own free will. People who you didn't think was money hungry and stuff like that. You know, everything the perp, they always just project and reverse everything on you. The perps always project and reverse everything on you. With another two of the same color. Well, actually three, because I don't think that van is a part of it, but you know. But tonight and tomorrow, it's been raining off and on all day today, and then tonight's supposed to rain, and then tomorrow's supposed to rain, and y'all expect me to be out in the rain. But I'm the one who's illogical. But the thing is, they want me to die. If you're younger than me and treat me like I deserve to be punished with being eliminated off of the face of this earth, you know, you don't have that authority to have me eliminated off of the face of this earth. When it's actually y'all perps are the ones who actually don't deserve to live.